Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a Lush haul. When I say a Lush haul, I mean a very long collected Lush haul. I had to think of what I was going to say, but I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, like 7 to 8 boxes here. And mind you, I ordered every order I placed at one time, but for some reason they placed my orders in these tiny boxes, and I ordered like 13 things at a time, and they put it in these little boxes instead of a big one. It's in a moving box because I moved, so all my stuff I had to put in boxes. So the first thing, and I don't remember if I hauled any of this or not, so if I did, my bad. This is the, I don't remember what this is called, like the Christmas present one. Golden Wonder, right? This is what this is called. Someone tell me if I'm wrong. But this smells really good. I don't know scents, so again, if you've seen any of my Lush hauls, I don't describe the scents. I just kind of tell you what the bath bomb or product is called. This one is called the Snowman one, and I do not like this one at all. Like, I think it smells like crap. But I am going to use it, probably like all in one, because I don't like it. The next one is humongous, and I still stand by that. I think I did haul these, but just to make this video longer, why not haul it again? This one is like plum rain or plum snow. It's huge compared to like this is huge. Then we have the Man in the Moon bubble bar. And this smells like Colacus, and Colacus is like my favorite scent besides Twilight and Honey I Washed the Kids. And then we have my two front teeth bubble bar. Box number 2, I have the Frozen Bath Bomb, which they don't have, I don't think, in stores, but I got this on the US site, and I've never tried this one before, so I did buy this. I don't remember what this one is called, like the cracker, candy cracker, something cracker. Then we have the Shoot for the Stars Bath Bomb. This smells like Honey I Washed the Kids. This one is called Nevermind the Ballistics. I was gonna say over and over again, but that is a different bath bomb, a different story. The one that smells like Twilight. The one that smells like Snow Fairy. I was gonna say something else. And then I have the Santa's Belly Shower Jelly, which it is like nasty AF, and I've used it once. On to box number 3. Mother's Day, I think. This one smells like rub. This one is called Purple Drain, and they're like marbled, but it just kind of looks like mush. This one is called 7 Deadly Spins. I don't remember which collection this is from, but it is tiny. Then we have the Bar, which smells like Twilight, thank the Jesus God. The next one, ugh, like when I smell it, it smells good, then it smells really bad. It's a bath bomb. I don't like it. It's like, Mom, look what I made for you. Then we have the Fish Bubble Bar. I don't know what it's called because I can't speak French, but we have the fishy. The next one we have is the April Showers. I don't like the way this smells either. This is a bath bomb. Another box. Next up we have one of the Free Ranger bath bombs because I got every variation that it came in because I'm psycho. That is what it looks like. It opens up. There's nothing in it. You can use it separately, which is what I will be doing, or you can use it, as most people do it, as one. And then I think this is the actual bottom to the blue one. You can mix and match them. It don't really matter. We have another Free Ranger. I'm just gonna pull out the heads because I don't really care about the bottoms. But he looks like, bitch, what the fuck you doing? And then we have this one. He looks angry. This one is 2 Love Boats, which was Valentine's collection, and they messed up my order, so I have 3 of these now. Okay, so this is called Bunch of Carrots. Again, it smells like the Snowman one. I don't like it, but I never had it. Didn't know what it smelled like. Probably should have looked it up. Then we have this bubble bar. It smells like mint. We have the Mum in a Spin. It doesn't spin though very well. And we have the Spotted Egg. And then we have this little guy. I don't remember what this one's called. This is the Whole Lotta Love Bubble Bar from the Valentine's Day collection. And then we have the Giant Bath Bomb, which I don't know when I will ever use this. And then I got 2 unicorn horn bubble bars, but I can't get them out because I'm lazy. Something stinks in here. I don't know what it is, but something stinks. First things first is the golden egg. Mine doesn't have that much shimmer on it because it was sitting in a box. But this smells like honey I washed the kids as well. Again, my favorite scent, so anything that's honey I washed the kids scented, I'm gonna have. This is one of the things I don't like. This is the Madam President and has stars all over it. I just don't like the scent. Then I have the Which Came First bath bomb in the spots version, as well as the stripes version. And then we have the whatever Supermom. The little cape came out and I just kind of put her back in there. But that is the last bath bomb. And then I bought some face mask. I bought Cup of Coffee, Mask and Magnum Minty, the Let the Good Times Roll, the Big Shampoo, I Love Juicy Shampoo, and that is it, I believe. I might be lying to myself, but I believe that is everything I have purchased in the last couple of weeks, months. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. Son of a bitch. We're like 10. Peace, bitch.